Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I am happy to bring to you a thrift haul. Yes, I went thrifting today. Yay! Oh, sorry, I'm a little excited. Yes, I am. I am excited because I went to the post office and just to, drop off some packages. I have today off because I said in my video yesterday, and I'm sorry if I'm repeating it, but in case you didn't hear it, I have today off. We had taken yesterday and today off for a beach trip, and that is not open yet. The place where we were going to the beach on North Carolina beach is not open yet. So that has been changed to the end of May, so we'll see if they're open by then. But I went to the post office this morning on my day off, and on the way, I noticed cars in the parking lot at Salvation Army, and I was like, do I dare? And I did. I dared. So I went, and it was open. I went up to the doors. I'm like, they're not going to open. They're not going to open. And whoosh, they opened. So I was so happy. I went in and found a few things, and I was glad to be like one of the first people. I mean, I don't know if they were open yesterday, but I probably was one of the first people to go there since they were open, and I did check Goodwill. They are not open yet here anyway. So I went into Salvation Army, just found a few things, but I was so excited that I wanted to have a Thrifty Tuesday video for you. So this is what I got. Let me share this first because this is another little bit of excitement. And I found this for $2.99. It's a baby book. And so I'm going to say this on YouTube, but I'm not allowed to say it on Facebook yet because the word is not out. But I figure it's okay for me to say it on my YouTube channel. So y'all keep it a secret because it's not allowed to be on Facebook yet. But I am going to be a Mimi. I'm going to have my first grandchild. So yeah, my oldest son and daughter-in-law are with baby, and she's due in November, so exciting. And so we're making plans, and so of course I've been thinking about what kind of journal I can make for myself too, because I already have a sonogram picture. And what kind of journal can I make for myself? What kind of journal do I want to make for myself? And kind of been rolling different ideas through my head. And today I saw this and I was like, well, and I have some really old ones. This looks like, I wonder if this has a date in it. I have some super old ones that I've shown in my videos before where I have taken them apart and have used some of the pages, but they're very, very old. Like, what were they? They were like, I don't know. I don't remember, like 40s or 50s or 60s or something. The pages are starting to brown. This was $2.99, and it's super cute. I mean, it's got all these little creatures, bunnies and lambs and mushrooms and things here. Let me take that off so we can get the full effect here. And here's the back. So cute. See, they've all got little animals. Got to have all their little babies. Baby foxes and the parents and the baby squirrel. Isn't that cute? So all little the moms and babies of the families here. So, let's see. Anyway, so my idea, I picked this up and I was like, do I want to get this? Do I not want to get this? Because I was already thinking, like, how big do I want my pages? I don't want to be limited to, little tiny, or, I don't want to be limited. I want to have plenty of space. So at first I was thinking, yeah, I could just use this, was my first thought. It's never been used. I was going to I'll look for a date too while I'm showing you, but it's never been used. Lots of pages with lines and different things like, like you see in a baby book. Super cute little pictures and things. But then I was thinking, let me show you the back. Here's a nice poem. And so, like, if a page has something on it that I don't necessarily want to use, like this right here, dental chart, I'll just do what I want with it. I'm not going to necessarily do what it says. But I want to use, I think I would like to use the pages and then do what I want with them. But then I would like to junk journal it up. So if let's see, I don't see a date. Wait, here's something in the back. No, it says Hallmark cards, so it is a Hallmark. So that's cool. I didn't realize that. No date back here, but it does say Hallmark right there. And you see that? Yeah, right there. So I thought it's got a spiral. It's joined by a spiral here. So I thought that would be easy enough to take apart and use this cover, you know, cut it right here on the spine, and then make a new, bigger, no, not that big, but bigger spine, and then I can add in pages and just have some kind of massive, you know, journal if I want, you know, because you know how it is when you have your first grandchild. I guess you probably take a lot of pictures and, you know, write down a lot of things, and, you know, they already said they want to have the shower, baby shower here at my house. So, of course, I said yes. So, you know, I'll have a lot to write down about that. And I already have things to write down, you know, about their plans and things and what they're doing. And so I need to get busy on this. So this is going to be a soon, you know, not future project. I'm going to start on this real soon. So you can, you know, tune in back and check my channel for what I do with this. But I think this is going to be really fun. It came with the box here. Just trying to see if any date or even a price, because I know Hallmark's, you know, not necessarily cheap. So that's pretty cool that I got it for $2.99. I'm sure it's like much more than that in the store. Brand new, but I'm so happy that I did get it. So anyway, that was one thing. And so the next thing, now I can't get it back together. If I did it right, it would help. There we go. Yeah, it was just like this. Was it in the box, or I think it was like this in the store. So then I found this, and I pick up, like, this is a paperback book, but I pick these up once in a while. It has really cute pages. Yeah, really cute pages, little creatures. You can see how cute this is. Look at those seeds. And so it's like Miss Maple seeds, you know, garden type thing. To me, I said garden journal when I saw it. And I'm looking for a date. Let me see. There's probably one in here. Not here. Not here. Okay, let's turn the page. Oh, here we go. 2013. So not vintage. But I didn't really care about that. So what I would do with this is when I get a book like this, I like this. I like this, you know, width, because when I get one like this and it's a really pretty one, I think I might want to make a journal out of it. What I do in the store is go like this. What would this look like if I make a journal out of this front cover? And wouldn't that be cute as a front cover? And I have done that before, and love. It's so fun to make journals out of these. And it's very, very thick. It's not like thin cardstock, very thick cardstock. So you can make a really strong cover out of a cover like this. Isn't that pretty? Wouldn't that be pretty? I can't wait to make a journal out of this. And then the back looks like this. I wonder, let's see. So if this was a cover also, it would be like that. So I could actually, and it has this pretty flower on it. And I could put something up here. Maybe from even inside the book, but wouldn't that be actually a cute cover too? I didn't look at that in the store. And in the back would look like, see, this would be the front cover, this would be the back. Has this nice poem. Here's where a label was, and so I would cover that up with some fabric or something, or a pocket. Perfect spot for a little pocket, right? So yeah, that's another project that I can't wait to do. And there were several of these. You know, I could have picked them all up. They're only 49 cents, but it's only, well, this one has 15 feet, huh? Because I thought I looked at another one. I thought it said something like 4 feet. So anyway, this one has a lot on it, and it was my favorite. There's plastic over it, but if you can see the colors there through the glare, very pretty, like vintagey looking colors, I thought. And it's like grass grain ribbon. It looks very vintagey. But I thought that would be neat. And the other ones I did not pick up because there was about probably 8 others. But they're all just, you know, regular, like pink and brown and gray and blue. And there were some sports themes. I kind of would like to get this off of here. So I did not get, oh, here we go. Now I can see better. Yeah, this is very pretty ribbon or trim. Isn't that nice? It's like fabric. It's not, yeah. So, isn't that pretty? Can you see that good? Several different colors in it. So I really like that. It was different. And 15 feet, I can do a lot with that. I can make it, use some as a closure. I can trim a page. I can make the thinness of this. I can make, use it for strings on tags and things like that. So super cool. I really like that. Very versatile. Okay, so of course I found this. It's a baby shower. It's cards. It's little cards. And I don't know how old they are. Does it have a date? I don't think I saw a date here. But they look, they look vintage. I don't know if they are, but they're so cute. I figured, I might be able to use these for the baby shower. They're so cute. Or if I don't use them, I can always use them in my journals because they're so adorable with these little ducks and they look vintagey. So got those. Those were only 49 cents. That's a deal. And when I first walked in, this was the thing that really got me excited too. I saw this tin and I was like, oh, rubber stamps. I wonder if that's rubber stamps. It says birds and nests. Rubber stamps. I didn't see that at first. I just saw that it was sitting on the shelf and I saw the birds and I was like, oh, that looks like it might be rubber stamps. So it is rubber stamps. In fact, we need to try this out right now. Let me get a piece of paper here. Of course, my scraps aren't here when I need them, but I can always cut up. Oh, here's kind of a scrap right here. Okay. So here's an ink pad. We're going to try this out right now and see if it works. This is metal. Is it metal? It is metal. So this is an ink pad. It probably doesn't work, but I have an inker and it says black ink. So I have a black inker. I can re-ink this, but let's try out one of these birds here. We've got all different birds. I don't know if you can see them. Here's like a little vine. This is cute. You see that? And then bird nests and a bird cage. Let's see. Let's try out the little tree here. Here's a little tree. It's so cute. And I can always use this if I, cut it up and put it on something. But let's see if there's any ink on here. Let's try it out. So exciting. Okay. I'm not expecting ink, but I just want to see. Okay, a little bit. Yeah. Well, at least we can see what it looks like. And the stamps have been used, but they're not, they're not, how some stamps are like really worn down, and you can't even see the design anymore. This one's a little worn, but it looks like it'll work. And see, these birds are all very not worn. You can really see the design. This one is so tiny. What is that? A little bird on a wire or in a cage or something. That one. Yeah, I'll have to try all of them out. That's a bird nest. So anyway, you get the general idea here. Super exciting to find rubber stamps because I find rubber stamps once in a while, but I usually don't buy them because, I don't want rubber stamps that I'm not going to use. I only buy them if I know I'm absolutely positive, 100% know that I'm going to use them. You know what I mean? Because I have certain space, and I already have quite a few rubber stamps, and the other, all kinds of stamps that you put on the block and everything. So I don't want stamps that I'm not going to use. I don't want to just buy stamps if I'm not going to use them. So okay, now. To get this back in here, it's a little puzzle. But anyway, so that was super fun. So that was my day off so far, except I did when I got home. What did I do with the lid? Here it is. When I got home, I worked out in the yard today. It was cool this morning, and then it really warmed up out in the sun. I'll have to figure out how that goes in there in a minute. But yeah, I went out and trimmed some bushes and pulled out some vines, a little ground cover that I have that likes to take over the world. So I pulled those out. So that was super fun. And then another super fun thing today was I announced about, that I have a second Etsy shop yesterday in my video, Sherry's Tees, and I had 2 sales today. I was just jumping. I wanted to jump. I didn't really jump, but inside I was jumping and running around the house. Not really, but I was super excited is what I mean. So I was just like, wow, this is so cool. Anyway, I won't keep you anymore, and sorry if I'm too excited for you, but I do get a little excited sometimes. So I'll see y'all later, and thanks for watching, and happy crafting and happy thrifting.